I want to show you how to use this micro pipettes. These are two types you will be using in this lab, not really the types, two different sizes. This one is for the little bit higher volumes, this one is for the little bit smaller volumes. The one with the blue top, it's going to fit blue tips. The one with the yellow top is going to fit yellow tips. Tip is coming on this end. This is the way how you put the tip on. You don't want to touch the tip with your hands. Tips are sterile. And the same way you want to always keep this area sterile. You don't want to touch the table. You don't want to just lay it on the table. You will hold it in your hand. The way how you pipette, there are two kind of like plungers over here. The one that it can get liquid in and out of the tip, and this one is to get rid of the tip. So I will show this one. You don't want to press this one during your pipetting. That's only to release the tip. You will be really using this one to get the volume in and out. With this knob over here, you can set up your desired volume. We will be using in this first lab 1000 ml or 1000 microliters, which means 1 ml. Over here, if the number is reading 1000, that 1000. Right now, for example, the numbers are 0364. This is really 364 microliters. I want to set up 1 ml or 1000. So I will move the knob up until I will reach the desired reading. This is now 1000 microliters or 1 milliliter. So I'm ready to use this. I'm ready to get some liquid. Again, this is going to be the plunger that you will be using to get the liquid in. There are two ways to hold this. This is my way holding. Some students will hold a pipette like this. It's up to you which will feel more stable in your hand. My way is grabbing the pipette like this. I am also, whenever I am pipetting, I'm securing this bottom for me, so it's not shaking and I'm not getting liquid all over. When you play with this pipette a little bit and carefully use this plunger, you will feel that there is kind of like resistance at some position for you to go down. That's what we call the soft stop. And then you will feel that resistance and then you can push it a little bit more. When we are taking liquid inside, you only want to push it onto that point of soft stop. So you don't go all the way down, but you keep it in that soft stop position. So now I'm going to take this 1 ml or 1000 microliters of liquid, and again, only in that soft stop position. I will secure my pipette and my shaky hand, and I'm going to get this inside, not all the way down, just on the surface. I'm still holding it just in a soft stop, and now I'm going to slowly release it. This is my 1000 microliters. When I'm going to put it into whatever tube or whenever this volume is going, now I can go all the way to the hard stop. So I'm going to slowly release it all the way down. Nothing should be left in a tip. And then get rid of the tip.